Morning. Morning, everyone. What are you moving from? Okay. Hello, good morning, one name. Okay, good morning. I'm moving now from Munich. Kanje to Koln, so I'm going to go to Seattle. There's no problem. I can on a train station. I move.
Für die Fahrgäste tun es bald fertig. Wir warten nur noch auf unser Ausfahrtssignal. Wir hoffen, es kommt hier kurz durch für Sie.
Hopefully, I can say here to who. But I am not going to the road. There's no problem. So why do I want them? There's no problem. Jana, we see you. Yes. Just have a wonderful day. Please like us and follow us always, okay? There's no problem. We'll get in touch with you as time is going. I can on Munich. Munich. I am a stopover. I continue back.